Hey, my name is Kimberly Wiggins, and I am shooting my introduction for the spirituality in social work class, which I am beyond excited about. So I'm doing my internship at a dual diagnosis treatment center, and so we focus on mental health and addiction. And one of the biggest pieces when people are trying to get sober is that spiritual foundation, right? And how important it is for them to be able to stay clean and sober. Um, and and it's a big missing piece because a lot of people don't understand it. And it's different for everyone, right? And so, you know, some people are very hell bent on not being involved in organized religion and due just from past experiences um and growing up in the South, religion is very common here, and sometimes it can be forced, right? And there are some judgments that throw around, and um, and I don't know if that's intentional or unintentional, but it's about moving past that, right, and figuring out what's best for you and ways for my patients, clients to be able to stay sober, and what spiritualness are they lacking in their lives. So I do a spiritual assessment, which is interesting, but I meet with them within the first 48 hours. And, it talks about their denomination, what do they think happens when they die? Um, what does suffering mean to them? Who supports them? How does faith play a role in their sobriety, if it does or if it doesn't? And questions like that, they're like, no one's ever really asked me these questions before. So we start to just get the ball rolling. And for me, in my own personal life, I'm more spiritual. I grew up in a Christian household, and I still have parts of those foundations that I carry with me. But I enjoy yoga and I enjoy meditation. I enjoy just being outside, and I enjoy being around people. And I feel the love and the warmth and the hope that other people um, bring about in rooms and just the area, and telling their stories and me connecting to that. And a lot of that is spiritual for me. So I really do look forward to this class and what everybody has to bring to it. So thank you, and I hope you all enjoy the rest of your day. Take care.